Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics World, and today we are going to solve half more part of Worksheet 3. So let's begin. So guys, today we are going to do question number 6 of Worksheet 3 only. So guys, our first question is, a man buys 2 pens at ₹20 each. He sells one at a gain of 5% and another at a loss of 5%. Find his gain or loss percentage. So guys, we will do this question as, first we will write CP of 1 pen, or you can write cost price of 1 pen. CP of 1 pen. So CP of 1 pen was ₹20, and both pen was of ₹20, and gain was, so his gain was of 5%. So his gain was of 5%. Now we will find how much he gained. So to find gain, the formula is SP is equal to CP bracket 1 plus gain by 100. And guys, remember this formula for further. Now guys, we will do, it's equal to, now CP was our ₹20, so 20 bracket 1 plus 5 by 100, so it will be 20 into 5 by 100, and this will be, I think so, yeah, 21 by 20. 21 by 20. Now 20 will be cancelled, so here is 1, so 1 into 21 is equal to 21. So guys, now we will write CP of another pen, or cost price of another pen, is equal to ₹20 only. Now loss is equal to 5%. Now formula is same. So what is the formula? You can comment it. SP is equal to CP bracket 1 minus loss by 100 bracket, that means our CP was 20, so 1 minus 5 by 100 is equal to, now here is same, but there is that here was 21 by 20, but here is subtraction sign, so it will be 20 into 19 by 20. 20 will be cancelled, and 1 into 19 is equal to 19. So now guys, here our main part will come, that is, we have to write SP of 2 pens, that means selling price of 2 pens, at how much price he sold the both pens. SP of 2 pens. So we will add the gain one also and the loss one. So it's ₹21 plus ₹19. So ₹21 plus ₹19 will be ₹40. And now CP of both pens means at how much price he purchased both pens, that will be CP of 2 pens. So that will be 20 plus 20. Here we can write rupees also. So it is also ₹40. So our answer is hence there is no profit, no loss, because the CP and SP are same. So guys, this was our 6th question, and our 7th question is Mr. Tandem purchased a computer for rupees 32,000 and a microwave over rupees 6,500. On computer he lost 5% and on microwave he gained 15%. Find his total gain or loss percent. So we will write the answer as CP of the computer, or you can write cost price of the computer, CP of the computer. So CP of the computer was rupees 32,000. Yes, 32,000. Now CP of microwave oven. CP of the microwave oven. So it was rupees 6,500. Here it is written more than 6,500, but we will write 6,500. Now we will write here first for computer, because there are two things given, computer and microwave oven. So first for computer it was loss, so we will do in loss, so we will do it as the formula was SP is equal to CP 1 minus loss by 100, because there is loss and there was a loss of 5%. So is equal to CP was 32,000. Now 1 minus 5 by 100. So guys, it is equal to 32,000 into 19 by 20. So guys, we will cancel it, 0 and 0, 1 and 1600. So guys, 1600 into 19 is equal to rupees 30,400. So guys, this is for our computer, and for our microwave is equal to not for microwave. I think I had written wrong spelling, but guys, you have to write correct spelling. So it was gain. So SP is equal to CP 1 plus gain by 100. So it's equal to 6,500. Now guys, 1 plus 15 by 100. So here we will do is equal to 6,500. And now guys, 1 by 1 plus 15 by 100 is equal to, I think so, it is into 23 by 20. So guys, after cancelling and after first one, and this will be, I think, 325. Yes guys, 325. So it's equal to 325 into 23 is equal to rupees 7,475. So guys, now only don't the answer is getting over. There is more some part. So guys, we will write combined CP. Combined CP is equal to rupees 32,000 plus rupees 6,500. So this will be 38,500. Yes. Now combined SP. So our combined SP is equal to 30,400 plus it was 7,475. So that is equal to 37,875. So guys, our CP is greater than SP. That if our CP is greater than SP, that means loss. That means loss. 38,500 is greater than 37,875. So it is a loss. Now we have to take out loss percentage. So guys, loss is of here guys. We will sorry guys, this I written of no use. We will subtract and we will put. So it is equal to loss of rupees 625. So guys, it is a loss of 625. So guys, our loss percentage is. So guys, already we had learned about loss percentage. So the formula was loss by CP. No guys, CP into loss. Wait guys, sorry guys, for some time I also forgotten what was the formula. So it is loss by cost price into 100. So it's equal to 625 by 30,500 into 100. And now 0 will be cancelled, and now it will be yeah guys, now I take it out 125 by 77%. So guys, this was our 7th question, and our 8th question is Mr. A sells a bicycle to Mr. B at profit of 20%, and Mr. B sells it to Mr. C at the profit of 25%. If Mr. C pays rupees 1500, what did Mr. A pay for it? So guys, this question is a little bit tricky, not fully tricky. This is little bit tricky. So first we will write SP of bicycle for B. Wait guys. Yeah guys, we will write yes guys, SP of bicycle, wait guys, I had written a wrong spelling for bicycle. For bicycle for Mr. B is equal to CP for Mr. C, that is equal to rupees 1500. So guys, to find profit, the formula is SP is equal to CP bracket 1 plus gain by 100. So guys, that means we will do it like which is a little bit tricky. So 1500 is equal to CP 1 plus, this will be guys 25 by 100. Now 1500, this question is a little bit tricky for me too, but I can solve this question easily. CP into 5 by 4. Now guys, CP will be here and 1500 will be transferred to here. So CP is equal to 1500 into 4 by 5. So now guys, we will cancel it. After cancelling, our CP will be is equal to rupees, this will be 1 and this will be 300. So 300 into 4 is equal to rupees 1200. So guys, this was our first part of the question number 8. Now CP for Mr. B. Like here we had written guys that we only CP for Mr. B. CP for Mr. B is equal to SP for Mr. A. And in the video we had just to find what should. So guys, let's continue. After solving the answer, we will get the answer. What guys I'm telling, sorry. So SP, we will write here SP is equal to CP 1 plus profit by 100 bracket close. Now guys, we will write 1200 is equal to CP into 6 by 5. Here guys, I am writing here only 1200 is equal to CP 1 plus, that was guys 20 by 100, and it is 6 by 5 now. So we will do it as guys, the CP will be transferred to here and 1200 will be transferred to here. CP is equal to 1200 into 5 by 6, so 1, and guys 200, so it is rupees 1000. So guys, our answer is rupees 1000. So guys, today we had completed worksheet 3 half more part. Thank you for watching. As guys, today we have completed worksheet 3 half more part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. अगर अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसे बिना भूले शेयर कर दें और सब्सक्राइब के बटन को दबा दें ताकि आप, और फिर घंटी बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि आपको हमारे अगले वीडियोस की, डेली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी.